Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on chat messages in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then if you scroll down a bit, click on the settings button and then click on the notifications button. And within this, look for the chat messages button and then click on the edit button. And as you can see, you can set push notifications or email notifications for this function. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And once they turn orange, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.